Okay, we're going to learn about word processing program today. This is our word processing program. That is one way to locate it. The other way is to click the Start, click All Programs, find Microsoft Office, because this is a Microsoft Office program, and then find Word. That stands for word processing. So I'm going to do that one more time. You can use this or Start, All Programs. You need to find Microsoft Office. Then you need to locate the word processing program. When it opens, it's going to ask you, do you want to have a blank document? These are other things that we can do, but since we're learning the basics, we're going to click here. That gives you a blank sheet of paper that you're going to begin to do things on. Today we're going to be focusing on changing the font, because sometimes when you do your spelling words, you want to do crazy things to them, or you want to make your words stand out, or something to that effect. So if I'm typing some words, for example, hello, Miss Began is the best computer teacher ever. It is necessary sometimes for teachers to make themselves feel good, so that's what I did. The first thing that you're going to have to do is select what you want to change. So I'm going to take my cursor, which is this line. Do you see how I'm moving it around? That is a cursor. It's also controlled by your mouse. Right now, my mouse, or if I start typing, it will be right here where the blinking cursor is. But I need to pick up all of the text. So I start at the end, and I'm clicking and dragging all the way to the beginning. So it selected and highlighted everything. Okay, so that means I have all of this text, and I want to change all of this text. When you're changing the text, you're changing the font. So that lives in the Home tab along the ribbon under Font. So all of these things will do something to your text. I haven't messed with everything, but the things that we're going to focus on today is to change the size, which is these numbers. This little arrow allows you to change different sizes so everybody can read it. This right here allows you to change the different style of the text. So if I click this arrow, you will see there are lots and lots and lots of different things that you could do. So you can just pick one that's your favorite. Most people end up trying to find one, and I'm usually too slow to go all the way down to the bottom to find something. But if I was doing something that was old-fashioned, maybe this would work. But that's kind of difficult to read. So let's go with calligraphy, because I kind of like that. But now you can tell it's too big, so I'm going to make it a little smaller again. So this changes your size. This changes your style. This is bold, so that's one of those text features that you're learning about in your regular classroom. You can make it bold, and what it does is it makes it just a little bit fatter. The text is a little bit stronger. Italics, that is another text feature, and it slants the text. So as you can tell, when I click it, it slants the text to draw attention to it. Underline is simply that. It underlines it the way that it's supposed to. Strike through means you don't want it. We don't want to use that. And these are for math, so we shouldn't be needing those. These do funny things to it, but it makes it hard to print, so we don't use these very often in the computer lab. And this changes the color, but again, we print in black and white, so we don't need it. So we don't need this one that highlights the text. We're pretty much going to stay with the bold, italics, underline, changing the style, and changing the size. So today you're going to be given an assignment to do, and you are going to need to type and change it as you are directed.